United PolYFAB Gujarat Limited recommend bonus in the ratio of 2:1 and Silgo Retail in the ratio of 1:4. United PolYFAB Gujarat Limited has recommended the issuance of bonus equity shares in the ratio of 2:1. 2 bonus equity shares of 10 rupees per each for every 1 fully paid up equity share of 10 rupees per held as on record date, subject to the approval of shareholders' approval. 2. Proposed approval of shareholders for increase in the authorized share capital of the company from Rs. 7,000,000 rupees 7 crore only divided into 70,000,070 lakhs equity shares of Rs. 10 rupees 10 only each to Rs. 21.00 rupees 21 crore only divided into 2 crore 10 lakhs equity shares of Rs. 10 rupees 10 only, and consequent to make amendment in the clause B of Memorandum of Association of the company. Silgo Retail Limited has informed the exchange that the Board of Directors at its meeting held on January 11, 2021, have considered and approved bonus at the ratio of 1:4, i.e. 1 equity shares for every 4 equity shares held.